So, good morning, guys. Let's see today analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avax, Matic, Philcoin, ICP, and few more coins. As China narratives going on, Bitcoin dumped a little, and there's a lot of thing going on in the market. So let's see what's happening in the market. So for the Bitcoin, let's see. Bitcoin is retesting this area. This 25,000 area is acting as good resistance for Bitcoin. It's unable to break this area. Okay. Along with this, there's a trend line forming. Similar as soon as we break this trend line, we can see a huge pump until unless market will keep falling and falling and falling. We can see as a double top formation, kind of double top formation. Let's see if there's any RSI divergence. Of course, there's a huge RSI divergence. You can see this is going down. This is going up. There's a huge RSI divergence. So what happens in RSI divergence? Let me explain if you don't know. uh, if like RSI is going price is going down and RSI is going down, you can see like this happened. So what needs to happen is RSI needs to go up and price needs to go down, so the market can come at this equal level. To come at these equal levels, see, market should be at this level, at this equal level. Price has gone up, RSI has gone down. To come back at this line, RSI should go up and price should go down. So when we can see a good reversal in Bitcoin, when there would be some bullish divergence in market. What is the bullish divergence in the market? When RSI will go up like this and price will be going down here. Okay. So this is Bitcoin. So let's see till what point Bitcoin can fall. Okay. So by adding Fibonacci retracement, we can see Bitcoin can retest these levels: 23,100, 21,600, 20,400, 19,200. Most likely, it will see a huge, a small pump from here or this area only. Okay. Before Bitcoin, I'm most probably considering this area. Now let's add some EMS and see how Bitcoin gets. According to these EMAs, what happened in Bitcoin in daily chart, Bitcoin had taken a golden crossover on when 50 MA comes above 200 EMA. Green line is 50 MA, yellow line is 200 EMA. So what happens in at this time, Bitcoin or any coin tends to, or any chart in any financial market, it tends to take a retest on 20 sorry 50 or 200 EMA. So Bitcoin price may come from here, then go up. Let's see on different time frame. On 4 hour time frame, even on 4 hour it seems to be coming down, but around till this area again, and in this area. Let's see for the 1 hour. So what can happen, what I'm expecting to happen, there could be a body till here and a wick in this area. So something like this, there should be a body closing in this area, and we can go, and a wick can go a bit lower, maybe or maybe not. That's the analysis for the Bitcoin. Let me tell you again. On 4 hour time frame, we can go up to this area 22,700. But if you are opening any position, opening any long, I wouldn't recommend you to open any long now. But if you are, keep your stop loss below this area. Okay. In fact, keep your stop loss here. We can go down till this area easily. We will see update in the next class, the next video. Now let's come to Ethereum. See, Ethereum pumped from this level. I have given this call in my free group. Let me show you. In my free group, you can see, you can search, you can join if you want. It's Ether Daddy Club. I will share the link in the bio. Just search Ethereum, hashtag ETH, USDT. You can see on 14 February I have given this call that if this line flips, see if this line flips, we can go above. And what happened? This line flipped and we pumped around 15%. But now it seems to be market taking a retest on this line. So let me just remove this for better analysis. I will add that again later on. So again we can see there is a double top formation, similar pattern to Bitcoin. There may be RSI divergence, maybe not. There is RSI divergence, definitely a good RSI divergence. But till what area can price can come, I am expecting that area only to retest. Uh, this area 3.82 area, this should be a retest area again, which I marked earlier as well on 14 February from where market pumped. So if you want to take any new position, you can buy in this box. Again, do your own research before taking any signal or taking any trade. I'm providing this information as a educational or educational content only. Okay, so I would personally take my trades in this area, and my stop loss would be a pretty tight stop loss around below this. Below this, you can see this, either this or this wick, depending on how much position I'm taking. But this should be a good area for the pump. Let's see in 4 hour time frame. Again, this area should be retested that it is acting as a good support area for a long period of time. Okay, so this area should be retested before going any further up. Now let's come to a red coin, Avax. What happened is Avax. Why I'm interested in Avax because Solana recently pumped. We caught Solana pump again. I have given the Solana call in my Telegram group as well. Let me show you. I have given this call at what level? 21341, and Solana pumped up to my target only. Let me show you till where it pumped. Let me show you here. I've given that call on 14 February as well. We come back to see Solana pumped around 25% right from my buying area. I just added this. If we get this area, we can DC. We didn't got this area, so position pump 25%. If you took this position in leverage, you would be earning like 250% profit in 10x leverage or 500% profit in 20x leverage. I wouldn't recommend leverage for beginners if you don't know how to trade. But see, as you can see, it touched our exact profit points. Let me show you again. Okay, this is completely free in my this group. I have my paid group as well. I will tell you about that in the last. But most of the content is my completely free. See, I marked this on 14 February. You can see. Okay. So now come back to AVEX analysis. AVEX usually tends to pump after Solana pumps or they pump alongside. Okay, so I'm interested in AVEX pump as AVEX is the similar level. It is showing the similar chart as of Solana. So it can pump till this area. Like similarly, I marked in Solana. AVEX can pump up to $30 easily. I marked this level according to Fibonacci here. See 0.5, 0.168. So little off. Okay. 0.5618,786. And this one area. So Avax can bump till this area. Your stop loss should be below. If you take any position, below this area if you take any position in long run. Else, I would suggest to buy on flipping this area. If market flips this area, market comes above this area and goes like this, buy around this area. Okay, let market retest this resistance, then buy. Now come to Matic. Matic is an Indian coin. Matic is a very good coin. What happened in Matic is recently Polygon fired 20% of its employees. So Matic's price tends to fall with along with market also, and because of that news as well. So what I'm expecting in Matic is, let me show you. Okay, 312, no, not this. Let me add EMS. EMA 50, 20, 200. I've customized this EMA according to my preference. You can do it as well. Okay. What I'm expecting here is this area. See, this resistance should flip and act as support. So market should pump from here for Matic. There could be some wick in this area. There could be some wick in this area, but overall market should pump from here. I would place my positions for long here. Let me add RSI and see. Yeah, exactly. You can see RSI is below 30. So I would start positioning my around in this area only. Let me mark a buy box for you. Okay. And my targets would be, my last target would be 1.6. 1.6 was a great resistance area previously. 1.7, no, not 1.7. 1.6. Why 1.6? It was a area of good resistance and previously it was acting as a good support. Here it acted as a good support. Here it was a resistance again. So 1.6 around should be my last area of taking profit, or maybe we can go a little further till this 1.72, but I wouldn't suggest. Maybe not. 1.6 should be a good area. So I would take my position something like this. I would keep booking my profit as we go up here, here as well. Okay. So if I would open a Matic position, it would be something like this. Stop loss should be below this 200 EMA. It's giving a RR ratio of 3. Risk reward ratio of 3. Now come to Phil coin. Again, Phil coin is a great coin. It's a storage coin. Also pumped because of a China narrative. Again, I've given this call for Phil coin on my paid group yesterday. On my paid group, let me show you my paid group. This is my exclusive club. See, you can see I have given long fill 8.1, 8.22, stop loss 7.8. These are blah 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 targets. Okay, I have given this call yesterday at 10 p.m. So let's see what happened here. Yesterday I've given this call at around 10 p.m. Let me remove these lines. Around here. Okay, I've given this call around here. Fact here that you can buy here. Your stop loss is 7.8. Okay, so this was my stop loss. Let me mark with red. And since then it have pumped like around 13% within, what is time right now, 12 p.m. when it pumped one morning. Within 12 hours it pumped 13%. So if you have taken this position on spot without any leverage, you would be having a 13% profit. If you have taken this with 10x leverage, you would be having 130% profit. And if you have taken this in 20x leverage, you would be having like uh 260% profit. Okay, within 12 hours only. So I given this call in my paid group. So after fill coin, my eyes are on ICP. Now what I'm expecting from fill, let me tell you that too. Fill had already pumped. I'm expecting a little pullback here again. Till what area? Let me add EMA. I love EMAs. Market react exactly where EMAs goes. So I'm expecting till this area a pullback. Red is a bit intimidating color. Light shift to blue, light blue. It's soothing to eyes. Okay. So it should come back to this area, then pump again, or maybe maybe or maybe not. May take retest at this area. Okay, but currently I wouldn't suggest to take any entries fill. RSI, let it retest this signal area, then we can see how it is reacting. ICP is another Chinese coin. It's a good coin. Not a good coin. It's a scam coin, in fact, but it's pumping pretty well. Why I'm calling it scam coin? Because its ICO was introduced at 300 $400, then it dumped till $1 $2, and currently it's trading at $6 $7, and it gives us many fake wicks. So that's why I'm calling it scam coin. Okay. So ICP can pump till these areas or maybe further because fill pumped. Along with that, we can see a good pump in dot as well. Dot is a Chinese coin, Chinese narrative coin, comes in Chinese narrative, and a strong project as well. I given the dot call here. You can see I've given probably given this on my Twitter, or somewhere. Maybe I've give calls on my Twitter as well. You can follow on my Twitter. This is my profile, Ether Daddy. You can follow me on Twitter as well to get some free calls. C dot. Have given this call on 18 February, and it pumped like 8%. So what I'm expecting from dot here now, let's add Fibonacci. It should come from these level only. Maximum pain we can get is this 0.5 area, 6.88. Let's add RSI. I wouldn't suggest taking any entry in dot until unless RSI is below 30. So we can take an entry in dot in this area, maybe 6.6, or this area. These should level should be to take partial entries, 50% there, 50% there. Okay. Again, this all is educational content. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm expecting from market, and how I take trades. Okay. So this is my personal analysis for few days, for couple of days or few days for these coins. I will try to keep updating uh, every day with some new content, and keep improving my content. Please tell in comments, or if you are on my Telegram or Twitter, how can I improve my content, or what can I do to teach you more, or to give you more and more and more deep explanation about the market. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me in Twitter. In Twitter, I have given this link for my Telegram free group as well. uh, Follow my free groups first, see how it works. If you want, you can contact me for the paid group. Okay. Even my username is given in the free group bio. Okay. Connect a Twitter diary. Message it there only. The others are impersonators. So if you want to contact me, just contact here only. I will try to get my group verified as quick as possible. So that's it for today's analysis. Thank you for watching.